Well, hello everybody.
Back at it with the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder Jeep engine.
So we're putting pistons back in tonight.
Engine blocks over there. I put in 1 through 3.
This is piston number 4.
Gotta change out the connecting rod bearings. Bad that was showing through, so we got new bearings. And we're gonna replace those, install it in the engine block.
All right. So here's how you do that. Well, it's how I do it.
This one goes underneath the oil ring.
Then this other ring
Goes on top of the oil ring.
ring with the 2 dots goes below. Makes the job a lot easier when you have the right tool. I always turn my pistons 90 degrees to keep the gap in the rings away from each other.
At this point, we have the rings installed. We'll oil them now.
I will use the ring compressor tool to compress the rings, prepare this thing for install. You just hold it right where the rings start.
And then you compress the tool like this. Get it nice and tight.
There we go. Now we're going to get the connecting rod cap off. So you see the copper.
That's no good.
This is what they should look like. This is a new one.
Now these things, you just set them right inside of the connecting rod cap and the connecting rod other half, and they just fit right in there.
Yeah. These don't spin. At least you don't want these rings to spin. You want them to remain stationary. But that's how you install it.
Now we're going to go move over to the block and install the piston in the block.
Okay. Now we're at the block. Yes, that is a J3000 in the background. This 4-cylinder is not going in that truck. Don't worry.
So on this engine, I like to have the crankshaft connecting rod journal at the very bottom of its travel. Just makes it easier to install the piston.
So it's already lowered to the bottom down there. You can see it. That's it. That's where we're going to put the piston.
This right here, this is the top of the connecting rod. We're going to put the cap on. Now the engine assembly lubricant I got this time is really sticky. So it's not really like a paste that you paint on. I've seen there's type where you paint it on. This is what I got, so I'm using it. It seems to do well enough for assembly lube. So let's put it on.
Just 2 nuts to hold it on.
The book says to torque it to 33 foot-pounds.
I like to torque connecting rods and really anything in an engine down in series. So you torque a little here, you torque a little on the other side, and you go back and forth just so you get a really good set. Otherwise, if you torque one and just get that all the way down and then torque the other all the way down, you might not get a really good set. I find that to be important. Don't know if it makes a difference, but
At this point, we got all 4 cylinders installed back in the engine there, and let's see if we can turn it a little bit.
there it goes. Huh.
Let's turn it over and see what the other side looks like. Well, pretty darn cool. I certainly like it, and I hope you guys do too. I think it's fun. Anyways, until next time, I'll talk to you later.